What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for understanding that AI now runs YouTube. So with that, it is allowing discussions, analysis, and news about crypto, NFTs, and blockchain technology. That's all that this video is. It's not a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, or guarantee of any kind. It is simply you and I talking about the crypto world, the latest news, the latest price action, and that's what we're going to do right now. So jumping into this article, it says that the Shiba Inu coin burn rate has dropped 99% with only 483 Shiba Inu coin burn. I mean, I don't know how much closer to zero you could actually get than 483 Shiba Inu coin. But it says, yet SHIB's price is climbing 1.67% to 594 points per coin. And of course, right now, it's already up even further from that, sitting at 630 points per coin. So Shiba Inu coin actually doing pretty good on the day today, bouncing back over the last week from 508 points per coin to 630 points per coin. Guys, that's nearly, it's like a 25%, right? Nearly a 30% increase in the overall price of SHIB. Now, the article goes on to say that the burn rate has dropped to its lowest level in weeks, with intensifying focus on its deflationary model. The on-chain data shows that fewer than 500 Shiba Inu coin were removed from circulation in the last 24 hours. The slowdown comes as the SHIB price attempts a short-term rebound, and the divergence between weak burn activity and rising prices has drawn attention across the crypto market. Now, it's very interesting how it works, right? Logically, you would think more and more people would be committed to burning and buying Shiba Inu coin during lower prices. It's not the case. For some reason, everybody wants to buy and burn when Shiba Inu coin is at higher prices. Now, I don't understand why people like paying more for something. I prefer to pay less for something. So even when you're burning Shiba Inu coin, if you're burning 1 million Shiba Inu coin right now, it costs like, what, $6? If you're burning 1 million Shiba Inu coin when it's at all-time highs, it's costing you, what is it, $80. There's a massive, massive difference there. So knowing that, take advantage of the current situation. It's much better for buying and burning now than it is when prices are high. It says the burn rate collapse leaves massive Shiba Inu coin supply intact. It says, of course, the Shiba Inu coin shows that only 483 SHIB were sent to the dead wallet in the last 24 hours, and the figure reflects a 99% crash in the burn rate. Community activity around token burns remained largely muted during the period. Shiba Inu coin has faced sustained volatility in recent weeks, and over the last 30 days, SHIB has declined more than 20%, almost 30% there. The prolonged drop has weighed heavily on sentiment and raised concerns about the token's trajectory. And if you're looking at the weekly chart for Shiba Inu coin here, you can see that clearly it has been hitting lower highs and, of course, lower lows, with a major bottom forming around this 500 to 600 point per coin range. Now, hopefully that level holds up. Hopefully Shiba Inu coin has hit its floor, and hopefully we might continue to consolidate. I don't know, but hopefully we continue to rise from here on out. If you're looking at the overall market, with Bitcoin back up to $69,000 per coin, Ethereum at 2,000 plus, Solana back up above 80, things are starting to look good once again. Are they looking great right now? Absolutely not. We are still heavily, heavily in the red, which to me leads a very good opportunity to accumulate. You know, it's funny. Everybody said that, man, if Bitcoin ever dropped back down into the 60s, I would load up. Those same people are running scared right now. Those same people are nowhere to be found, right? They don't put their money where their mouth is. They just like to talk. And the bears have come out of hibernation right now. You've got all these people on X and all over the news stations saying that the Bitcoin bubble has burst once again, and of course it's going to zero. All that does is feed into the fear. All it does is perpetuate the decline. Guys, we have seen this time and time and time again. I don't know how much further it falls. I don't know how much longer it stays low. But what I do know is that every single cycle has resulted in new bull market runs. So why continue to accumulate?